Everybody, thank you for checking out our video. Today we have a 2015 Audi Q7 Premium Plus for sale here at the Auto Connect in Ocean Springs, Mississippi. 109,000 miles, just serviced it. Brand new brakes, brand new rotors. Drives really good, fresh oil change. Has a tow package, off-road package. You can kind of see the ground effect kit on it. Drives really good. Pretty loaded up too for the year. I think the only thing it doesn't have probably is the air conditioned seats, but it has heated seats, panel roof, third row, leather, nav, backup camera, blind spot assist. Get a lot of value with this car for the price. Rear heated seats, front heated seats. See, you got rear heated seats back here. Nice third row here, folds down. Give you a lot of extra space. 3.0 supercharged V6 engine. Push button start. Seats are, interior is in excellent condition too. 109,765 miles. Comes with push button start, multi-zone climate. Start her up. 109,765 miles. Nav. Something you might be interested, definitely give us a holler. 228-438-2056. You can email us at theautoconnectllc@gmail.com. Check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you have an Audi, Volkswagen, Porsche, that's what we specialize in. Also working now on, got some Lexuses, whatever, other imports, some domestics, give us a holler.